Winter in Hawaii. Well, people think the weather is always perfect, and it can be. That it's always hot out, and that is true. Our skies are very blue. So, also, in Hawaii, we do get a temperature change. We do need to wear warmer clothing. We do need to wear pants and hoodies and put away the flip-flops on some days and wear gym shoes and boots on others. And winter in Hawaii for us is about 10 to 15, 20 degrees at the most cooler. We get wind, we get rain. Instead of excruciating freezing temperatures and snow, we also have other things that gauge our perception of the differences in seasons. Like in the wintertime, we get whales. The whales come every winter and they mate out in the ocean in Hawaii. It's quite beautiful, actually. So every winter, we're all like, oh my God, it's whale season. Another thing that we have in consideration when our seasons change is the produce that is in season. So we don't get falling, changing leaves, and we don't get excruciating temperatures, but the fruit does stand out. And there are definitely seasons of different fruits that come in the winter, which I will get into later. Another thing is that a lot of the houses out here, in some cases, don't have as much insulation as a house, say, in northern America in the winter. Some of the houses out here in Hawaii have screens. Some of the windows don't close. So we may be hanging out in the house in our hoodies, in our warm clothes, our socks, our, what do you call those, thermals? We feel the wind and the rain. So it's not like we're exempt from cooler weather. It's just felt more profoundly. Okay. We also have citrus that comes in season, and it is mangosteen season. Have you ever had a mangosteen, the queen of fruits? She's quite purple and quite beautiful. Here we see me in a mangosteen. Also, another fruit that comes in season is the rambutan. Here is a rambutan tree. Take a look at the beautiful rambutans, and this was just a tree on a property on the side of the road. As you see, busy there. And we get to enjoy these kinds of things in the winter. We also have avocados as well. Here's a rambutan, just for the sake of seeing me mukbang a rambutan. Yep, here are the avocados. Avocados are in seasons because when it's cooler, fats provide more insulation and beautiful blue skies on this particular day. Some days are bright and blue, and some days are just cool and overcast and gothic and enchanting. On days like that, I have an imagination that makes me feel like, ooh, maybe I'm in England in the countryside, or maybe I'm just traveling through Northern California or something like that. I do things like that with my imagination just to enjoy it, you know? Me personally, Natalia's perspective, during this time of year, I like to hibernate. I love to eat my citrus and avocados and wear warm clothes and snuggle up and do what I can to, keep myself cushioned from the wind and the rain, and go for walks and enjoy the ocean and appreciate my imagination, because, most of the time it is sunny. So when it is a little bit gothic and overcast, it just tickles my fancy. I do what I can to dance and stay warm and stay creative, eat amazing foods, and just snuggle with my kitty cat, and just do what I can to just enjoy myself. And when those sunny days come, wow, how I appreciate them. And one last thing I'm going to mention is, winter in Hawaii, we wear socks with flip-flops on the days that allow it, that are not damp and rainy. This is Natalia. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I know some places in the world are dealing with summer right now below the equator. However, wherever you are in the world, I hope that this will bring you some warmth and sunshine and inspiration and a new perspective on what Hawaii is like in the winter, because it is different. Cheers, everybody.